So I went through the comments on the video I made with Gilbert, and I realized that a lot of you didn't know you could make popcorn with your ScanFirst air fryer. So I thought, how about I show you guys how to do it in this video so that you don't make mistakes. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is melt this butter. Now what I have here is unsalted butter, but you can also substitute with salted butter or you can use vegetable oil. While that's going, we are going to start by preheating our ScanFirst air fryer, and we want to do that. So you're going to put the temperature to the highest because we're preheating it. So we're going to do this for about 10 minutes. These are the corn kernels that we're going to be using, and it is important that when you're buying corn kernels, you want to ask them, is this one suitable for popping? Because not all of them are, okay? Butter is completely melted thanks to my ScanFirst microwave. The reason why you put cling film over your butter is so that it doesn't, splash when you're trying to melt it in a microwave. Into our pan, we're going to go in with, this is like a baking sheet. You're going to put this in. The corn kernels go. Goes our milk. Just going to give this a decent mix. When you do this, don't put sugar in it, because if you put sugar in it, it is going to burn. If you're going to use sugar, you can add the sugar when it has started popping. Okay? So now we're going to transfer this back into the machinery, and we would adjust the temperature to 180. So we're preheating it at 200, but we're going to adjust it to 180, and we're just going to wait until we hear the kernels popping. Fingers crossed. I think I can hear yeah. You can see it's popping, but there's still a lot of corn kernels in there because it's not done. So I'll come back to you when it's done, okay? Check on it. Yeah. This is what we have. We're not going to stop here. I'm going to show you how to make a quick caramel drizzle that would go on this popcorn. Remember, we did not put any sugar in it, so we need to sweeten it somehow. So keep watching. In a clean pan, we're going to go in with some granulated white sugar. And we are just going to melt this down. So as you can see, our sugar is melting very nicely, very beautifully. Balance it out. I think I have the perfect color. At this point, you actually need to work really fast. I have here some milk. So I'm going to be going in with my milk. So in our already popped corn, we are going to be adding in this caramel. Like I said, we have to work very, very fast. So we're going to give this a mix. And you want to make sure that everything oh, tastes so good. But we're not going to stop here because now, because the caramel is hot, it's made the popcorn soggy, so we need to dry it out. So we're going to transfer this back into the air fryer, but we're going to do this in batches because if we crowd the air fryer, not everything is going to get the effect that we want, okay? So in the pan now, we're going to go in with, I would say, half. Now, if you have an oven, you can also do this in your oven, okay? So we're going to put this back into the air fryer at 160 degrees. Let's see what that will give us in 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm going to take it out. So at this point, you're going to just leave it here so that it dries out and it gets the crunch. Do you catch my drift? I'll come back to you when that happens. Okay, so guys, this is the end product of our caramel popcorn, and I just want you guys to hear that. Oh my god, it's so good. So yeah, mommy's in the house. Make this for your kids. Couples in the house, you guys can make this together. It's a good movie snack that you can have when watching movies, whatever it is. You know, you guys can actually just be snacking on this, and you can store this as well. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll stick around so that I can answer you myself. Was this helpful? Don't forget, get yourself a ScanFirst air fryer. Okay?